How to create cartoon videos with AI. Want to create cartoon videos for YouTube without drawing, animating, or editing? AI can do it all for you. In this video, I'll show you how to make an AI-powered cartoon video step by step. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT and type a simple prompt like, "Give me short story for kids." ChatGPT will generate a complete story with dialogues in seconds. You can edit the script to add humor, emotions, or a powerful message. Once done, it's time to bring this story to life with AI-generated visuals. Then you write another message, "Give me prompt, I can generate the images of this story." Then the ChatGPT generate the prompt of the story. You can see it's generate the prompt, step 2. Now, we need visuals for our cartoon. We'll use Leonardo AI to generate high-quality cartoon images based on our script. You can just copy the first prompt of the story from ChatGPT and paste here. In a few seconds, it can generate the perfect images of your story. You can check Leonardo AI generate high-quality cartoon images based on our script. You can use these high-quality cartoon images in your cartoon story. This is very easy method to generate AI images. Leonardo AI gives you 150 daily credits. You can generate free AI images for your videos. Step 3. Now we animate the images into a cartoon video with Hailuo AI. Now let's bring everything together with Hailuo AI. Upload your ChatGPT script and Leonardo AI generated images and Hailuo AI. Hailuo AI will turn them into a full animated video with smooth transitions, camera movements. Step 4. Once your video is ready, you can make small edits using free tools like CapCut. Resolve to add subtitles, effects, and branding elements. Then, upload your video to YouTube. Write an eye-catching title and thumbnails for maximum clicks. And that's it! You've just created a complete AI-generated cartoon video without drawing, animating, or editing manually. AI is making content creation easier than ever, and you can start making animated YouTube videos today. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what AI tool you want me to review next. See you in the next video.